in addition to adding in a Google Doc, you can add in a whole Google folder if you wanted to. Again, this is just preference. You could link or hyperlink to your Google folder, or you could just embed it. So the process is the same as adding in a Google Doc. You would just double click, or you would come over here from Drive, and you would select a folder that you want to insert. If you know what the folder is, again, you just click it and insert it. In this case, I'm going to look for it, so I'm just going to look for my PD folder. And then I'm going to select Insert, and it's going to insert the folder. And so if you wanted students to have access to multiple resources within a folder, multiple Google Docs, multiple PDF files, without having to click on a million hyperlinks, it's probably best to just insert an entire folder. Much like the Google Doc, you need to make sure that they have access to the folder. So if you were to come over here and you were to go to the PD site, you would want to make sure that you share it. Again, if you want to give students access, same process, advanced, you would change this and then select one of the following so that multiple people could see this. And so for right now, I'm done with it. If I want to take a look at what it's looking like to students or whomever I'm sharing this with, I would just click the preview button. I would scroll down. And one of the nice things about adding in a Google folder is the ability to put in multiple resources. So instead of having to have a lot of hyperlinks or doing a lot of hyperlinks, if it's all contained within one Google folder, it's just easiest to link the entire folder within your Google Sites. And now students can just click these files and it will take them directly to them. So again, just another option inside of Google Sites.